Have you ever thought about turning your idle bandwidth into rewards? This is actually doing something that tech companies already do without your consent and never pay you for it. So there is a game changer in this decentralized internet economy that is Grass Network, which is really kind of bringing this transformation in turning your internet into passive income, revolutionizing how we actually interact with the internet by creating a platform where you can actually monetize your unused bandwidth while also contributing to the development of AI. So they have a user-centric design, which I really like, a blockchain-based architecture, and Grass is the native token. Grass, the project, aims to establish a fairer digital ecosystem, ensuring transparency, efficiency, and equitable benefits for all the ecosystem participants. So this is what I want to get into in this video today. Make sure you like and subscribe. And always head on over to our main site, decentralized.news. I actually did a full written review of Grass also on our main site, which you can see in the links down below. So let's dive right into it. So what is Grass? Like I said, it's a global network where you as individuals are able to share your idle bandwidth. That's your internet bandwidth, and in return, you will earn rewards. Contributing to Grass Network, you can actively participate in transforming unstructured data, or web data rather, into these structured data sets that can be utilized by AI. So this innovative system kind of shifts the power dynamics of the internet, offering users that ownership for resources often exploited by large tech companies, like I said. So at its core, Grass actually operates two primary components. So that's the Grass desktop app. It's a user-friendly app that allows you as a participant to contribute your unused bandwidth and earn rewards seamlessly, and I'll show you how to do that. They also have a Sovereign Data Rollup. So these are pretty much a robust network infrastructure that's comprising of nodes and routers and validators, ZK processors, and also a data ledger that kind of ensures there is efficient and also transparent, secure data transformation and provenance tracking. So how Grass actually works is pretty interesting, because you've got the user participation, which is straightforward. All you need to do is just create an account with the username, email, password. Use the link in the description, guys, to sign up to Grass. Confirm your email as usual, as you can see here, and then you can download the app to your desktop, whether it's you're running Windows or you're running a Mac. And after that, you can get it all set up, and once you've got it installed on your device, then you're able to kind of actually proceed to link it to your Solana wallet. I use Soulflare, so this is what I did here. I just connected it to my wallet, and as you can see, all I needed to do is just sign a signature, verify, and I did that, and then now I'm able to actually start earning points. And I just needed to sign into my Grass Network account and configure my settings, get connected, and leave the system operating in the background, routing internet traffic through my IP address without accessing my personal data or my device activities. So for earning rewards, Grass users earn these Grass points for contributing this bandwidth and also making referrals. So make sure you use my referral link, guys, please. Ways you can earn include usage. Okay, you can earn points based on the uptime and bandwidth that you share. You can also earn through referrals, inviting others to join Grass, earning a percentage of their uptime points across 3 tiers. So primary referrals, which is 20% of their points, secondary referrals 10%, and then tertiary referrals 5%. And bonuses also are available, where you can receive bonuses as your referees reach specific milestones, like 100 hours of uptime, for example. They also have a tiered system which incentivizes you as users to expand the referral network, unlocking higher points as you also progress, which is quite interesting, because that's kind of how you can actually set up an infrastructure network that is decentralized. Okay, so the Grass token is the ecosystem token that powers and enables this network. Web transactions are done using Grass for data scraping, data set purchases, and low cost also routing as LCRs, and also staking rewards. There you can stake Grass to support routers and enhance network security. I'll show you how to stake, and you can earn rewards doing that, and also just participate in governance if you wish to with the token. So Grass token is available on many exchanges like MEXC, Bybit, Gate.io. Check out the links down below. Get started if you want to. First, you need to obviously purchase some Grass if you want to stake. And what I did is I just did it through the non-custodial way using my Soulflare. I did a swap of Sol to Grass, and obviously you can see here, once I had the Grass in my wallet, all I needed to do was then to proceed to put my stake through. So I went to the Grass Foundation website and I just staked my tokens there. So they have a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens. Grass ensures long-term value and transparency. Also in this distribution, they have a good token allocation. Community is going to get 30% for incentives and airdrops and rewards. And also the foundation gets that 22.8% reserved for ecosystem scaling and network upgrades. And also investors and contributors get the remaining tokens distributed to early supporters and also co-contributors. So you can also see they've got a nice emissions circulating supply there. In the infrastructure overview that I really want to touch on here is obviously this innovative sovereign data rollup that kind of ensures these efficient, secure, transparent operations. So they've got validators which verify the batch web transactions with generating zero knowledge proofs, ZK proofs, and data provenance there. You've got the routers which relay the bandwidth traffic, keeping nodes accountable and ensuring that there's smooth operations. And of course, you've got the Grass nodes themselves, which facilitate the public web data scraping using the idle bandwidth and then rewarding operators for their contributions. And then you've got the ZK processors themselves, which record all these web requests on blockchains for transparency and accountability. And then the data ledger itself, a repository that's linking scraped data to on-chain proofs, so that there's immutability and provenance basically. So this is why Grass is quite a revolutionary project. I think it's going to shoot up in the market cap of the multi-billions. It's very efficient. You can, access it in 190 countries. It's obviously everything is on chain. So there's transparency and ownership is in the hands of the people. So that's how I feel you should be looking at Grass as one of your picks for the deep in space. Monetize your idle bandwidth, contribute to AI growth, and also just get a fair internet. Check out the link down below. Get started with Grass and let me know what you guys think. You can trade it on MEXC, Bybit, and Gate.io. The links are also down below. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Go to our main site, decentralized.news, if you want to get into DeFi. Check out my book, DeFi Millionaire, which is at defi-millionaire.com. And also check out my other books, Tokenized Trading, Blockchain Applied, all over the internet. Just type my name, Heath Muchena, and you are going to see me almost everywhere. And all my products are available. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, love.